Hello friends, this side Mohit Gaur. I am bringing you this video series on Paytm Money app to help a lot of new investors and some existing investors that how do you invest in mutual funds in a safe, simple, secure manner. Now in the last video we covered the menu bar and today we are going to have a walkthrough of the home screen. Now first thing first, in the Paytm Money app they have given a very simple investment calculator. Now imagine a investment of 1 lakh rupee over a 3-year timeline is going to give you a 40% return, and if you compare the mutual fund return with a fixed deposit, it's there in front of you. You can change the time period to 5 years, 7 years and 10 years. Now they have assumed a 12% CAGR return for equity category direct funds. So this is giving you a quick approximation that how your investments will look like in 10 years time. Now if I scroll down, there is a short banner which Paytm has put up. They have started with National Pension Scheme also. They are promoting tax saver funds and they are asking you to invest in the direct mutual funds, not in the regular ones. If I further scroll down the screen, now this shows me the portfolio allocation that I have, sector wise, top holding wise and asset allocation wise. Now in my portfolio, as it's clearly seen, 30% investments are on financial stocks, 12.37% is the investment in technology stocks and respectively in FMCG, energy and chemicals. Now if I switch to top holdings, now this is the aggregate percentage of top holdings. So in my entire portfolio, 7.63% is the holding for HDFC Bank Limited. Since there are a lot of miscellaneous shares, different mutual fund invest, so the others category is comprising of 5.69% and likewise some of the other shares. And if I go to asset allocation wise, as it clearly shows that 92% of the investments are in equity, 5% is in debt and less than 1% is in cash and cash equivalent. So I can actually go in detail, and if I tap on view all, I'll be able to see my top holdings in percentage terms. So this is a comprehensive list of all the shares that my portfolio will be having. This is quite good a feature, and same goes for the sectoral division of my investments. Yeah, so this is good to know knowledge. Now if I scroll further, I have my portfolio insights. So this is a high level summary of my investments that I have invested in 10 mutual funds, and the current value of my portfolio is 56,000, and I have 8 funds which are equity and 2 funds which are tax savers. If I switch to the AMC tab, I can see the division of my mutual funds by the asset management company type. So I have 2 funds in SBI mutual fund, 1 fund in HDFC, likewise other funds are being listed. Yeah, so we'll move back to the fund type, and if I scroll down further, Paytm is giving you a lot of options, and there are different sections they have divided between National Pension Scheme, which is a new offering by them, tax saver funds. Then there are some mutual funds for which you can invest as low as 100 rupees a month. Then they have segregated funds with best returns. There are also some investment packs by Paytm Money, and some investment ideas which are more of like a blog by Paytm. So you can individually access each of these. For the video sake, we'll look at the equity funds. Now they have very beautifully categorized large cap, mid cap, small cap funds, and you can browse through each of these categories in your own time. You can switch between the time period from 1 year to 5 year and look at the various returns and do a detailed study of each of these funds. I'll just go back to the home screen and if I scroll down further, it's showing my investments on Paytm Money, and this is my portfolio detail. My current investment value, total investment is roughly 59,000, which I have done. Since the COVID situation is on, all the funds are showing in red. So we'll come back to the details later, but what Paytm Money helps you is rearranging your various snippets on the home screen. So if I want my portfolio insights to be on top, I will move it to top. Then I want my portfolio allocation as the second thing. Then I want my investment performance to be third. So yeah, I've done my changes, and now if I look at the home screen, it is as per the changes I've done. So friends, Paytm Money is a very simple and very user friendly app, and if you're worried whether it's secure or not, well, they have 5 million downloads, and in just span of 2 years, if I were to show you the details on the App Store, so if you'll see, they have roughly more than 5 million downloads, 48,000 plus ratings, and their KYC is quite simple. If you are a Paytm user, the same KYC will be carried forward to Paytm Money app. However, if you have invested in the past through some AMC or through some other app, then the KYC will be a lot easy. But if you are a new investor, it will take some 5 steps to complete the KYC, and you can start investing immediately. One more thing which somebody highlighted in the last video, that what are the typical account statements Paytm shares. So I'll just show you one of the Paytm reports. So this is the portfolio summary as of 3rd May, and what they have done is they have segregated all my mutual fund schemes, and they are showing the number of units, the current NAVs, the investment, and the current value. The returns are shown in green if they are positive and in red if they are negative. So this is quite helpful for an investor. And if I scroll down the report, they are showing me my risk profile, that I am a moderately high risk taker and a growth investor, and as per my portfolio, I have invested 96% in moderately high risk schemes and almost 4% in the high risk schemes. So this is quite handy. Yeah. So that's it for this video. Today we have covered the home screen, and we saw one of the account statements from Paytm Money app. In the next video, I'll take you through some of the individual mutual fund schemes and do a deep dive on couple of mutual funds. Thanks guys, this is Mohit Gaur signing off. Good day.